Welcome back to a lecture series on GIS. So in this lecture now we are going to do the road network analysis demonstration in our GIS. The road network analysis is a highly helpful for various applications, especially for the service providers whoever is concentrating on working with their service employee to monitor their service employee. Now let us see how to do this road network analysis in GIS. The analysis is done based on the input certain network attributes like traversing distance, time of the travel distance, and cost of the travel, barriers, vehicle, route change. So many applications are involved in this. So there are three steps involved in the preparation of road network analysis in GIS. The step 1, we have to add the road network file, and in step 2 we have to create route layer and service area layer, and in third step we have to use the network analysis tool for finding the shortest route or the service area. Now open the GIS and add the data. For this you have a road map which you have already digitized. So this is the basic map required for the construction of road network analysis, and once if you open you can change, and then according to your visibility liking you keep your map in front of your ArcGIS, I mean the map window. Now you will have to create a GDB for this, separate GDB. For this you have to create a file geodatabase for the road network analysis, and you rename it by F2, click F2, and then you rename network analysis. You put network GDB and create a new feature data set as road, and then click next. So no WGS 84 zone 44, give OK. You have road network now, the feature data set. So this road I mean shapefile you have to bring it to the road network feature data set, this line feature, and in the I mean feature class you take the data management tool feature class, and here you have to bring a feature to point or feature to line. So already you have this line parameters, road is here. Take this road and bring it to your shapefile of the work area where you have developed road network. Their feature data set that is road, in that we have to bring network GDB road network feature class. Create a line feature called road. I mean you are bringing into this platform for reprojection. Now the projection is set with respect to your working area. So remove the old one and keep the new road network, and go to catalog and check your road has come here for your road network analysis. And you also have to create a new network. You see there are network tool, network road network ND, create this, choose version 10, and then choose the road because already road has come here. Select next, and you want to yes model this connectivity by taking the connectivity road is enabled. Give OK, give next, and from give next, and travel everything as such. You just follow it by clicking next, finish. It will ask you to display in your map window, ask because now it is displayed, and wherever the nodes are connected that center point is highlighted. Now the first point is over, and the second step of creating route layer and the service area layer is the second step involved in creating the road network analysis. Now go to the what is that network analysis tool. In that You go to mark service area, mark route layer. You take mark route layer, use this map as input, and impedance attribute, you can give shortest distance. That is our aim, that for finding out the shortest length is the target of the road network analysis. And here you have to give the impedance attribute. I think we should not give like that. We have to change. We should not give space. Yes, still the issue is there. We have to remove the space. I mean underline. That is also, yeah. Now it is takes. Now it takes without any space. Space. I mean space sense. I mean case sensitive. The word you should not give any space. You put shortest length. Then still, now it is okay. Give length. I mean character sensitive. How to put layer name? You put shortest route, so that it will give you shortest route of the work what we are now going to do. Give OK. Give OK now. Right now, I mean the system is finding the shortest route. It takes stops, point barrier, route, line barrier, polygon barrier. You see, this is how it works. You see, it works. Once if the shortest route starts, it takes many parameters where the stop is there, where location, unlocation, error, time violation, point barrier, route, line barrier, polygon barrier. So all this is the system takes now. It is ready. Now right click, take network analysis tool. I mean, once if you take this, this is the road network analysis. Network analyst tool will come here. Now you have to take the clear, click here this box. It will come here, table of content, and click create shortest. I mean the route between any 2 points. You click any 2 points in the map. In the map, I mean graphic pick one is now taken. Zoom in, zoom out, and then set the another point. I mean that is the end point where you want to go. Then you just now find the route, shortest route by solve. You just click this button. So now you find, you see that the system takes not less than a second even to give the shortest route between the two. And now what we are now using the Google, what is that, Google navigation. It's running like this. Already the setup databases has been kept inside. Similarly, you can give a number of points. This is how people have already started working, and now you have to think for your studies how you can use even for the assessment of various other applications. Think logically how network analysis can be brought into your subject for the subsequent. And this is how you can change the endpoint and then ask to solve. It will solve. This is the shortest, finding shortest distance from the first point to the last point. Right now, you can I mean disable this one, and then we will just find some other. I mean, you road layer and service area layer. Now we will see the service area layer using network analysis. You take this, I mean, tools. Once if you take this, you have to give the input data as road network ND and impedance attribute, and you just give everything as such without change. Accumulates also take the length of the work, and then restriction. I think you open one by one and then read at the right point. Now if you click any point over the road, it's not clicking exactly. That's why it's not showing. And now exactly if you click, automatically this know that the service area with respect to this point will be disabled. It's enabled. You see, if I am clicking here, any point at the road. I'm clicking the first point. Now I'm asking what is my service area. So this is buffering. It buffers for certain distance and it gives that a person who is standing here can serve for the need of people surrounds maybe the length in meters are defined. Otherwise, if you extend the length in meters for about 10 kilometers, then the service area will increase. Similarly, you just open the layer properties and you see default break, you can increase even or you can decrease even. 2000 meters, the length in the impedance, apply and give OK and take the issue to solve. You just it is extending. The limit is decided by us, so that this is how all now the food service, online food support and all is being calculated. Once if you give order, it will work like this to find a person whether he will be able to serve within the limiting area or what is the distance between the the person who is seeking food and then who is serving point, and then where the hotel it is. It's all calculating with respect to the distance of the road as well as finding the solutions. Now it is now buffered with respect to only the lines of the road network. So it's very clear that how the service area is being calculated by using road network analysis. You see, if the distance is very less, so that it shows the number of roads, road network very close to this the point of requisite. Similarly, you can do for all your interest, all your that query, how to do this road network analysis, how to do usage of road network analysis and all. With this, the lecture on road network analysis in ArcGIS is come to an end. Thank you.